The dogs got into my trash after I cleaned up so beautifully yesterday. Look at dog. Okay, so the rain has stopped and the sun has come out, and I just want to show this river that flows by my house. The water kind of gathers up here and then it flows through this tree, which I showed in another video, and it comes down here and it has like a whole river down here. Aiden's about to go through this big puddle, so we'll catch that on film too. But look at this river. Oh!
I didn't get wet. I didn't get wet at all. Whoa, that was awesome.
It goes all the way down there. It literally sounds like we have a babbling brook at our house. It rained pretty well and we lost power today, so. Check on the sogginess of the garden. So these I didn't put in rows. There's the turnips, collard greens, and Brussels sprouts. So, wow, look at this. The little red Brussels sprouts are actually looking okay. And the green ones, there's like 2 that are growing. But they look okay. There's too many in that little spot. I guess I'm gonna have to thin those out. Yay, garden project, because there are like 5 Brussels right there, so I'm gonna thin those out. But they are a little soggy here because I don't have them up in rows. And I'm really glad I put this up in rows because, as you can see, there's water gathering there. So I've got some mustards. Are these mustards or turnips? I can't even remember. And then here's one cabbage that's trying to make it. The cabbage didn't really do so well though. Oh, there's a couple cabbage here. What, Dixie? And all the lettuce I transplanted and moved around to thin is doing good. But there are definitely some puddles, so I'm glad I made rows for this little garden. Yes! It's called Hold My Kool-Aid.
That feels weird.
Do it again! Do it again!
Do it again. Get some speed. You gonna do it again? So what do you think about the power being out, Dixie? What are we gonna do? We're gonna be okay? Okay. Good. What are you doing? Why?
Can I jump in that puddle?
I guess, but you're gonna get your dress all dirty and have to change.
Oh, actually, I'm just gonna step in it.
How can I get speed?